My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This vehicle has done just under 71,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, to the left we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, traffic reports, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between normal mode, sport, individual and eco. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.